The BMW M Performance Parts for the car's aerodynamics, powertrain, chassis and cockpit offer a wide variety of options for customizing the new BMW M2 with maximum performance in mind. All the components were developed on the back of BMW M GmbH's motor racing expertise and the experience it has garnered over 5 decades, and have been precisely tuned to match the two-door model's specific characteristics. Exclusive materials, enhanced aerodynamic properties, the BMW M Performance exterior components. All the retrofit products in the BMW M Performance Parts portfolio stand out with their high-impact design, exclusive materials and top quality. The BMW M Performance exterior components for the new BMW M2 therefore match the two-door model's styling and geometry to perfection. And they have already undergone homologation alongside the overall vehicle, meaning they comply with statutory safety regulations as well as the BMW Group's own strict standards. The carbon fiber add-on parts for the front, sides and rear are made from carbon fiber reinforced plastic. They optimize the car's aerodynamic properties while also accentuating its racing aura with a clear coat finish that exposes the composition of fibers beneath. The M Performance front splitter carbon fiber and M Performance air intake trim carbon fiber, for instance, ensure the new BMW M2 makes a particularly striking impression. Customers wishing to give the car's side profile a sharper visual edge have a choice of M Performance side skirt attachments carbon fiber, M Performance side spats carbon fiber front and rear and M exterior mirror caps carbon fiber. Airflow around the vehicle can be optimized with the M Performance rear lip spoiler carbon fiber and M Performance rear diffuser carbon fiber. Meanwhile, the M Performance rear spoiler carbon fiber and M Performance roof edge spoiler in high-gloss black dial the racing flair up to the max. Further personal touches can be added to the vehicle exterior in the form of an M Performance toe strap and an M Performance antenna cover in aramid, another exclusive fiber composite material.